Voice of truth. I hunger for perfection.
And perfection can be yours. Take your hunger to Subway subs.
Subway subs.
There you'll find Subway's new roast chicken breast sub. Tender, succulent chicken roasted to the point of perfection, nestled in an oven-fresh roll, graced with Subway's universe of extras and the zesty glory of pastry.
We interrupt your program to bring you crucial information of your survival. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of civil authorities in Anchorage and confidential government agencies. At around 2:15 p.m. Alaska Standard Time, a rumored to be wrecked supply ship touched landfall near the port of Anchorage small port launch with an unknown specimen. This specimen has taken action rapidly since the past 5 minutes, and an immediate evacuation order in counties of Anchorage, Kenai Peninsula, Valdez Cordova, and Matanuska Susitna has been placed until further notice. This specimen has also been reported to hold a contagious disease which is spread by physical contact, and can be spread by contact of, but are not limited to, humans, wild animals, household pets, and livestock. First set of symptoms of this disease include rash, itching, and increased skin sensitivity. At around 3 hours of exposure, this disease will cause blemishes resembling heavy scar tissue that form in the chest and arm areas, spreading to additional limbs in another hour. If you have any said symptoms after mentioned, do not call the local hospital, but instead call 907. Tell them your exact location and that you have been infected. There will be a specialized task force to help get rid of the disease. If you are in the vicinity of the port of Anchorage, quarantine immediately to prevent further spread of the disease, lock all doors and windows and turn off all lights and ventilation systems to hide your presence of the specimen. If you are not, evacuate now essentials such as food, water, and medical supplies. And evacuate to extreme southeastern or northern Alaska. If these areas are full, the Canadian government has agreed to open the Alaskan border for refugees to travel to mainland United States. If you see the specimen, do not attempt to reason or apprehend it, run away as far as possible. Do not attempt to observe the specimen without any sort of artificial technology such as drones or mounted cameras, as observing it physically can put you in severe danger of infection. Do not return to said counties until an all clear is given by a confidential government agency. Repeating, do not return to said counties until an all clear is given by a confidential government agency. This has been an important message transmitted through the emergency alert system. Stay tuned to local news media and radio for further updates of this event. Repeating, an immediate evacuation order has been placed for the counties of Anchorage, Kenai Peninsula, Valdez Cordova, and Matanuska Susitna until further notice.